Hello everybody and welcome. So in this video we're going to get the Tundra level. Let me show you what we're working with. Alright, so this is the 2.4 drop kit with the additional shocks from SOS Performance. They specialize in Tundra suspensions and stuff like that, and instead of going up we're going down. So you have your axle, your rear axle stuff, plates, bump stops, all that stuff, your U-bolts, some other pieces. The most important part, the instructions. It does come with these printed, which is really awesome. And this is pretty much the only thing for the front. It is a new sleeve that replaces the spring perch on the front shocks. I don't know if those are front or those are front. I'll figure that out in a minute. But this will give you a 2-inch drop on the front. And these should give us, these hangers should give us a 4-inch drop in the rear. So in the instructions, very first page, it shows you all the safety stuff. That's fine. I've read through that. We're cool with that. We're not going to go in that in this video. My main thing is this, the recommended tools. So it says a 1/2-inch drive metric socket set. That is what this is. Then it says a torque wrench capable of 10 to 90 foot-pounds. Got it right here. It is a 3/8-inch drive, so I will have to get an adapter, but I have one of those, no big deal. Non-marring mallet. I got a 2-pound rubber mallet here. A couple of spring compressors for the front, which we may not even need. I think I know a way around that. When we get to the front, I'll show you that. A couple of a floor jack, a couple of jack stands. I got the bigger ones to actually hold the truck itself, and the smaller ones will hold the rear axle whenever I drop it. Got a couple of blocks of wood for wheel chocks, and last but not least, 2 4-inch C-clamps. So I had pretty much all of this except for the mallet because I couldn't find mine, and the C-clamps because mine were destroyed. So I picked up those from a local hardware store. It was like 30 bucks or something like that, so it's not terrible. So just to know, you can do this even if you don't have all the right tools. It's not that expensive to get the right stuff. So this kit, I did buy it with my own money. It is in no means sponsored or nothing. I've been wanting to do this even whenever I had the 2012 Tundra. I was looking at doing a drop, but you know, before I could do much with that, then I got T-boned, so that truck is no more. But I've been looking at doing this for a while with this Tundra, so I hit up Tom at SOS Performance and told him what I got and what I was wanting to do and everything, and he said this is the exact kit that I needed. And the only other concern I had was, do I need new shocks? Because my truck is just turned over 99,000 miles, so it's coming up on 100,000 miles. The shocks are not leaking by no means, but I just wanted to make sure. So he said, yeah, go ahead and throw in new shocks for the front. Also, the rears are recommended because we're lowering it, and the stock ones will bottom out if you don't. So I mean, it wasn't that much more to get, you know, 2 new front struts or shocks also. So anyway, I guess let's just get on into it. All right, so I ran into a little bit of an issue. There's two different U-bolts here for the rear, and if you look, one is a little bit longer than the other one, and that one's supposed to go towards the rear of the vehicle. So that also matches up with this notch. So if you take the shorter one, it drops right in, right? And then take it in the back side, and it drops right in. So the short ones work just fine. But you take the longer ones, as you can tell, I've kind of mangled them up a little bit. But they're supposed to go in the rear, and they don't just drop in. I can squeeze, and I just cannot get them past that point. It's about 2 millimeters too wide on this point. And I've tried both sides. All right, so I tried both rears in both sides with very same results. So, all right. So I called Tom at SOS Performance, and he said that everything that he sees in stock looks the same. They're the same widths, but I mean, I can take this one, which is the bad one, and the short one, which is the good one, and then take my micrometer or whatever calipers, and even though the battery's dead in it, I can tell there's that much play in it. It's 2 to 3 millimeters, which is crazy. So he's being totally awesome and is going to overnight me a set of the rear U-bolts, and I guess I will go ahead and do whatever else I can besides that. Because on the rear, I don't want to touch the front until the rear is done, so I can put the rear on its wheels and all that. But I guess we'll pick this up tomorrow. I really wanted to get it finished today, but things happen, and I know there's manufacturing tolerances and stuff like that. Stuff happens. But Tom has been totally awesome. He even pre-sales, he answered all my questions super fast. I've had to call him twice so far. Once for the exhaust hitting the rear leaf spring issue, and then once for this. And both times he's picked up. It's after 5 o'clock in Florida where he is. So he has been totally awesome. Can't say nothing but good about him. So I guess we will pick up tomorrow whenever the other parts come in. All right, so day one ended, and Tom did overnight me the proper U-bolts for the rear, and I was able to get them installed. Unfortunately, I did not get the camera going on any of that, so hence this part of the video. For that, I do apologize. And I was just so ready to get this thing going, get the truck going. I mean, I'm driving the truck now, so obviously I got it going. So let me go ahead and insert a picture of before. And a picture of after here. And if you stick around to the end, I will show you a couple of rolling shots that my cameraman was able to get on the way back from the tire shop that we got after I got the wheels and tires mounted and balanced. It really looks good. Not quite done with the wheels yet. I have stuff on the way to do a color change on them because I like the way they look now, but I think I can make them look a little bit better, and it will be reversible if I have to, so we don't have to worry too much about oh my gosh, you ruined the wheels. We're not going to be doing any kind of powder coating or something like that that's permanent, so it is reversible, and I think it's going to work out pretty well. So there's that. Here is a picture, or a couple of pictures, of how the truck looks now with the lowering kit and the wheels and tires on it. So, what you guys think? I like it. It's not too much. It still allows me to be able to tow. I do have that 20-foot enclosed trailer that I do tow, and I do haul stuff in the bed. So, I still need to be able to do that. That's why I didn't get any bigger wheels, because I did not want to go way oversized on the or rubber band on the tires. And I think 45 sidewalls are about as low profile as I want to go and still be able to safely tow. So with all that said, like I said, stick around to the end and I will show a short clip. I'll insert it here. So that is the video that my son, aka cameraman, was able to shoot as we were leaving the tire shop of the truck, and I think he did a pretty good job. So what you guys think? You like it? Don't like it? Let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to hit that big old thumbs up if you like it. Hit the thumbs down if you don't like it. It doesn't really matter. I like it, and I am all about make it your own. If it's not your cup of tea, great. I know there's plenty more mods out there that probably would be more suited to you. So until next time, do that subscribe deal and all that jazz, and I will catch y'all next time.